Hello dear viewers, this is an update on what I've been up to since my last upload. I want to share with you a idea of mine that I want to try and I want to see what you guys think of it. So the idea is I want to start doing a documentary of my process of learning the Android development process. Now I've been a web developer for over 7 years and I want to learn something new. I want to challenge myself to learn something completely different than what I've been used to. And there's nothing better than Android. Android is run by more cell phones in the world than anything else. So my idea is to start a series about the journey through learning Android development. It's not going to be the same as tutorials that I've been used to. It's more like a vlog or blog. It's a documentary of my journey. So I hope to get people who has the same interest as me to come along and learn together. There will be bugs and bad techniques, but don't worry, that's normal in any learning process. So don't use this as a guide on how to do things, but rather use it as a chance for you to tell me what I'm doing wrong in the comments. So I hope you are strapped in and I will see you at the beginning of the series.